Hello, friends, back with another one.
This is an episode of Construction for Dummies. Don't change the channel.
Sir, are you telling me you just saved me money?
Possibly.
If this is your first time watching, I'm giving land away on this channel. What's he eating? What are you eating? Hey. Oh, he's eating a pumpkin. Oink, oink. Oh, there he goes. Now he sees me. That is not a pet, folks. Eating my neighbor's garbage.
What is that, Mimi?
On the road again. Can't wait to get on the road again. We're in the mountains. This little place we bought, I think about a month ago now. And this is the second time we've got to enjoy our place here. And we're here because we got a phone call from the officer that's going to come down and do the inspection. He's got to, I guess, crawl up underneath there and see if he can find any VIN numbers. Because we bought this place without a title to the mobile home. The mobile home is not affixed to the property.
Give you a thumbs up here.
Well, we're looking for a serial number here. The magic number somewhere in there, right, officer? Yep. It's in here somewhere. This is the mystery hunt. But he found him. I could not find him. This is why the professionals have to do the job. I just didn't see him.
They're hidden pretty good. If you look, it's just a really light stamp here.
That is wonderful.
You can see it on your camera too, but got a full VIN number right here. 512.
Oh, sorry.
I'll have to sand it down a little more, but you can see most of the VIN. It's very light there.
Wonderful.
Stamped in.
That's wonderful news. So that'll make the process a lot easier, won't it?
Yep, it will.
So what's the process if you can't find the numbers? Do you have to do an abandoned title, or is it like just a
So
more
what you
extensive?
do, if you don't find the VIN, you've got to assign an Arizona VIN tag to it, and then you have to go through the whole bond process and whole bunch of other fees and stuff you got to pay for on that. But if you have the VIN, you should be able to just go through the title process to get a bond title on it. So,
Sir, are you telling me you just saved me money?
possibly. There's a possibility. So,
I think you just told me that you saved me a lot of money. And some headaches, which, you know,
Definitely some
that
headaches.
might even be worth more than the money.
definitely some headaches. But
Yeah, I remember doing that when I was a kid. Now, let's talk about the land grab. When we reach the goal of $13,000 on ad revenue, and I'm going to show you an update here in a second, then I'm going to give land away. It's an 1.25 acres. It's going to require an off-grid lifestyle, meaning there is no infrastructure nearby. It's about 2 blocks as far as the electric goes that's from this lot line. So you'd need solar, you got to haul in your water or drill a well. It's completely off-grid, so it may not be for everybody, but for many out there, it's a great starting place. And it's free. It doesn't get much cheaper than that. What the plan is for this house, on all these old mobile homes, what I like doing, repairing all the really bad spots. And then we put cement board all on top of all this. Cement board. Oh, here's a great example of the cement board I've been talking about. You see how this is, it's a 1/2 inch of cement, basically. And these come in 4x8 sheets, the same size as this. And you just lay them all the way down. And you cut the holes like for the vents and so forth. And then you install ceramic tile on top of this. And so it makes the flooring so strong. That's what I do in these old mobile homes like this that has had problems where windows were out and you've had a lot of leakage and just all the subfloor is not the way it should be, where it's very strong. Instead of replacing the entire subfloor, it's just tremendous amount of work, and it's never as good as putting ceramic tile in. Ceramic tile, it insulates it, it's 10 times stronger, it's the way to go. Welcome to Pick Your Hole. It's a brand new game show. Let me show you the holes that you gotta pick from. You got that hole right there. That looks like a doozy. You see there's holes over here. They're everywhere. So the way this works, you have to close your eyes. Now close your eyes like this. And you just start spinning around. Spin around, spin around, spin around. No peeking. And when you're real dizzy, just start walking around. Just walk around the house. And when you... Well, that's the hole you have to fix next. I hate this part of my job. to do is put this up underneath this part of the wood. I'm going to do on both sides, so I'll start here. This part of the wood, it's weak, so I need some support. So I'm going to put some glue. This will go up underneath that part. Here, folks. Thank you, God. Job it on, dude. And dudettes. Dudes and dudettes. My dudes and dudettes. My Cassian. Did I do it? Hey. It's coming out again. That's what I'm doing. I don't think that one went in. That one did. That's all I'm doing is toenail them in. This. Alright, whew, with rat shit. Cotton candy with rat shit. Anybody want some cotton candy with rat poop? Alright. That's what I think. That's all. Just like that. Do it. Like that. Okay, so you can see here we got the backer in on all of these. We got this backer in. Put a little bit of plywood there. We put the backer in here. And of course we just nailed these backers in here. Right here. We're going to have to put some braces on each side of this vent, because this is going to be the dining area here. So there could very well be a table here. Just want it to be as strong as possible. Honestly, guys. Here it is. Yeah. Let's go double check everything, grab some wood. Blow this stuff around. There's too much dust in here for blowing shit. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, God. So why isn't it not going all the way down here? We're getting there. So let's cut out the vent and we can nail this thing down. Super strong. If you can't have fun while you're working, why are you going to work for yourself? You know? It's like, come on. You got to turn into a clown sometimes. Just don't do it while you're doing something dangerous. Yeah, don't do that. I've seen people injure themselves so many times I can't even count them all. Daydreaming about that beautiful girl or handsome guy if you're a girl, or however you swing there. And you know, you're thinking about the date last night and you're just cutting and you're daydreaming, woo, and beep, and it's gone. And you're running down the road, going to the hospital, and it won't be the same when they're done. All right, there it is. Hey. Fits like a glove. Woohoo! I will take it. This is still, like I said, a little bit up. There's not much I can do about it. Hell yeah! This is how you do it. Look at, woo! It's solid, so solid. Thank you for a solid floor. Isn't that awesome? I love it. We're right here in the mountains with these beautiful elk. Aren't they just so cool? It is just amazing. They're sitting there looking at us. We're gonna look at them a little closer. They were playing with each other, weren't they? Such a beautiful, so beautiful. I'm so blessed to be able to live my life here in the mountains, and you don't get to see this in Tucson, that's for sure. So we sold a house in Tucson, Arizona, and I bought 8 pieces of land. And the objective of this channel is to actually give land away. And one of the pieces of land that is on the slate to give away is actually up here in the White Mountains. So one of you viewers out there may get to see this someday. It's a beautiful sight to see the elk roaming, eating, and just living life. Here's $6. I guess you could say this is a clan of hombres. Do you imagine sitting on your front porch here, or the back porch I should say, and just watching the elk? They're all over the place out here. We got some of the biggest elk in the United States right here in the White Mountains. These are just young lads. The big papas are not around. There's one that's pretty decent size, but these are all fairly small young elk. So we're getting closer to making that 13,000 ad revenue. Got a little ways to go, so please click onto my channel, like and subscribe. watch all my videos. If you want to support this channel, that's the best way to do it, is just share it and watch the videos all the way through. And I've got more in store for the channel. Continue supporting the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.